Alright, you guys, in Sam's Club, we have the Kool-Aid. It is glows in the dark, $7.98. Perfect. Have you seen what it looks like? It's actually really cool. It is cool looking. $13.32. What do we got? Tootsie Rolls. Do we really like Tootsie Rolls? Dots, fruit chews?
I don't know. I'm not sure about Tootsie Rolls.
Yeah, that seems to be the common theme for Halloween candy.
I like the vanilla ones, so the vanilla Tootsie Rolls. Those are really good.
Right here, the 758.29. Oh, they added a lollipop. 2-in-1 gummies. These were my favorite growing up. The green, but they no longer. Jolly Ranchers. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's Jolly Rancher suckers. You got these gummies. You got these ones, and then these bars.
You know what I'm thinking of? But now or later.
Now and laters. Yeah, you like now and laters.
I cannot find them anywhere.
I think it's weird they put Twizzlers and Haribo Gold Bears in there. You think they'd put Warheads and some other like hard candy that would have to do with Jolly Rancher types.
And $21.48, you get 100. It looks like ghost, pumpkin, and bat. And $7 for the mini cheddar cheese balls. These are going to be $7. Right next to me, they have the pretzel. You get 66 in here. You know what? You got bat and pumpkin. I feel like this could be great for a school time snack, but I know school time snacks could be very. Teachers don't like certain things, and I think one of them was a pretzel. Okay, here we have the Kit Kat. These are going to be $14.98. You will get 75 in here. You got Ghost, milk chocolate. The M&Ms are $16.48, which is really different from the previous years where they had like the neon color.
Yeah.
$16.48.
Because they did like the purples and the greens and like the bright Halloween stuff before.
And a 20 down here. The Hershey's Pokemon, a limited edition. It tells you special edition. Got the Pokemon. They had Harry Potter last year, right?
I believe so. Yeah.
This is just regular. On top, $17.98. And next to me are 20. I want to say this might be cheaper in Costco, or it was the same price. We just came from Costco. Okay, down here, $18.98. You get 80.
Here we go. Here's the problem.
Peppermint
can get a Dracula shape, and it looks like a Dracula. All of Reese's shapes, really, they just look like blobs.
Yeah, white ghost, and then we have pumpkin.
It looks like white blob. And then brown blobs.
And then $16.98. $16.98. We have 270 count. We got Jolly Ranchers, kind of like the same up front. The Nerd is $20.98. 75 count. Down here, 25. 430 count. Oh, this one you got the now or later. And $17.38 up here. These are suckers. You want a box of Airheads, they're $14.84. Sour Patch, 280 pieces in here, $24. And then next to me you get 220. These are $19.84. And a 1962 for 200. These are more Sour Patch, Swedish Fish, and on top for 25. And then 1884. This has Sweet Tart Ropes. Okay, Laffy Taffy Nerd. Okay, this is 1848. You only get 120 in here. And next to me, 2148. These are Skittle gummies. You got sour. Oh, they make sour. You get 120 in here. Wild berry and original. Then on top, more like chocolate. This one is 515 for $34.48. You want mini bars? They're $16.88. You get 160 on the Airhead. And $22.98 right here. We got Butterfinger. And you know, a Sam's Club has like the main big boxes. You get full-size candy here too. Oh, this one has Carmelo. This is $40, so $8 off right now. You get 52 for 40. Next to me, 57.18. Has Starburst. 29.88, and you can find this in a Walmart too. You get 30 in here. And 30. You get 30 for 30. Just want a big bag of gummy bears. You get 150 for 11.51. What do we have? PB&J. Oh look, and jelly. Oh wow, that's new. 13.48. Okay, the Hershey's 34 for only 36. 40. Wow, 40 for Musketeer. I'm not a fan, but no. Milk chocolate Hershey's 34. Want a big bag of Jolly Ranchers? You get 13.28 in here. 13.28. Snickers are 52.48 for 48. Want plain M&Ms? 52.48. And Butterfinger 33.98. Now this one might be fun. You get 44 in here for 16.78. You have original sour and rainbow sherbet 16.78 here. So candy bowls are 24.97. You got the cat and a mummy. And next to me, I want to see one that works. I cannot find one that works, but you know, we got cat, Frankenstein, $45. And you guys know this bad boy here is 290. Look at him. 289. The spider's not 289. That's for the Reaper. No idea. But right here, the pumpkin scene, you got the ghost and skeleton. They're 35. The spider is 70. And 35, you know, it is color changing and it does come with a remote. Okay, here's the scene of the ghost. Yes, cute. In all your Halloween books, we have Pop-Up Peekaboo, $9.98. The bluey magnetic one, you have this at Costco as well. Search and Find Haunted House, $10.36. More magnetic play, 10 Little Monsters, $8.82. And a Nightmare. Spooky one. You're My Little Nightmare, Baby Boo. Okay, we have the Spooky, $9.98. 7 for the Blueberry. You know, they're like puppets. And look, they have the zombie face cut out. How much is this one? It's just a zombie box. No, this one.
I see. Apple Jacks is $7.48.
$7.48. Okay, you know they have like these fall cookies. So good. Oh my gosh. You can't bring them home. They're $10.98, but these are really good. And don't forget, if you're needing cupcakes for a party, you can always find them here. $16.48 right there. I think it only went up $1 or something, or a couple cents. So it was like 15. Originally it's like 15 something. So it's like $16.48 now. I mean, still not bad compared to Costco. It's gone up quite a bit. Yeah.
Prices are like $10 jumps and stuff. It's crazy.
$9. They don't have this. No, Costco used to have them.
Yeah, they used to have good ones too.
$9. Here is mini, you know, $7.98. Again, the tops. I feel like we should just make all tops. And I've said it before. Like, if they made this chocolate chip, like chocolatey tops, people would buy it. I would. Because the bottom is always like, too much. Same with the blueberry. I'm one of those people. So Fireball right here is $13.51. We do have somebody in our community, but if you're older, they will give you, you have a kid gets candy, then they give you a Fireball.
Yeah, you get a little Fireball.
$13.51
like
here.
this.
Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it. You know what they don't have anymore? They do not have the Halloween Oreos. They are sold out now. They put Stranger Things, you know, the Stranger Thing one, and there's no Halloween gummies here in this location, which is kind of odd. But please stay safe out there. Hopefully you get an idea on candy prices compared to like Walmart and stuff. Sam's Club does carry more bulk candy compared to Costco. But please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.